meron na ba tayong parang ano ba tawag dito, listahan ng mga sinong mauuna, sinong hindi?
Teka. Parang
Nakakabahan ako, sino ang uwi?
Paano pa ya?
Kung ako mauna pa time, kinakabahan talaga ako.
sa tingin ko, ang mauuna dyan, kailan naging si Edward si Edge naging
Rhea. To si Ate Rhea ba to?
Rhea.
Mukha si Ate Rhea to I don't know.
But anyway,
I'm checking. Hello.
Anyway.
Kasi dami kong kilalang Rhea, sorry.
Sa tingin ko, ang mauuna dyan si Neo. Tapos
Ito na nga.
Okay lang. Si Ardolph. Tapos ako. Tapos si Kuya Ed. Tapos Kuya Joe. Sir Rob ang pinakahuli. Ganon.
Oo.
Ang daya, di ba? Ang daya.
Okay.
So, ang magiging kon natin,
dapat, si Joe dapat ang mahuli dahil siyang original na MN Love bago ako.
Alam na kuya. Kaya pala.
Kailan naging MN Love?
Parang evolution pa sila yung mga naging MN Love.
October 2018 ako naging MN Love.
October. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Ikaw nga talagang pinakahuli. Okay.
Sige, ako mauna kasi ako yung...
Teka lang, naka-ready na ata si Neo. Wait lang.
Fight ha?
Ayaw mo ba?
Sige, ito na. Fight to ha? Wait lang.
Anong 12? Pa-isa-isa! Pa-isa-isa lang muna.
Oo, kaya nga.
Anong 12 agad? Pa-isa-isa muna.
With my first pick of MNL 48 Fantasy Draft, Neo Karashi selects, of course, Maikami Oshi, Ashley, Nicole Samira, also known as MNL 48 Cole.
Baby!
Ayun, no?
Agad-agad. Teka lang, sino maglilista? May nakalista ba?
Teka lang.
Wait lang, magna-notes ako.
Teka, anuin ko lang.
Magna-notes din ako. Okay, magna-notes ako.
Ardolph next.
Para sure lahat na tayo.
Next, Ardolph. Wait! Carly Links, wait a minute. Huy! Hello! Mga may fan ng Divine dito Hello po. May fan ng Divine. Fan lang yan? Hindi yan si Carly.
Hindi. Hindi si Carly yan.
Hello po.
Fan yan ng Divine. Kilala ko yung mga yun. Next. Ardolph, si Ardolph next.
Ardolph, it's your turn.
Si Urs Manila pala itong nandito eh. Thank you. Gracias.
Get ready. You got me out of breath. Okay. Ardolph, it's your turn.
On my draft, the captain of MNL 48, Jamie Alberto.
Oh my God!
Jamie!
Inunahan agad. Binakuran. Teka lang, agad-agad na to. Ako naman. With the third. Ako na agad to, with the third pick.
Okay.
I select. Siyempre, the former captain of MNL 48, Jeb.
The last real one.
The last real Kamiyoshi. Ayan.
Kaya siya nang sasabi mo. Kaya nang sasabi mo. Aray ko.
Yan tayo eh.
You're next.
Ano ba yan? So, kumikiliti sa'yo niyo.
Sorry, natatawa ako.
Ganito ho kami, pagpasensyahan nyo na ho pag nag-aagawan po kami ng Oshi. Okay, Kuya Ed, it's your turn.
Well, bago ko yung aking choice. Let me just say, okay, good choice, Ardolph. No, I mean, no hard feelings, okay lang. Okay lang.
Ganun ang ginawa
That's
sa
a
akin
good
dati.
pick, by the way.
Wala nang
No problem with that.
Walang trade.
No
Walang
worry. So, you know what? Ito, this pick right there, ito, since JB's already picked, then ito talagang OG Kami Oshi.
Okay, alam ko na yan.
So, with my, pang-ilang round na ba to?
First round ka.
First round pa lang.
First
For
round,
round
pero
of
fourth
6.
ako, no?
Fourth.
Anyway,
Pick of 6.
you know what? Okay, so with my pick in this fantasy draft, I am very glad to welcome former first gen member
Okay.
Marcela Marie Gia.
Sela. Nanguha na ng itlog.
Number 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir Rob, I think it's your next.
Yeah.
Okay. For the 5th pick of the draft, I choose my top Oshi, Rhea.
Oh.
The Eradicator. Mommy.
The Eradicate. Mami.
Mommy.
Okay, last. Kuya Joe.
Okay.
Okay.
For the 6th pick of this FT fantasy draft, Joe selects.
Joe
Okay.
Sarts.
Joe Sark selects.
Joe
my-
Sarts.
the KO1, the Kami Oshi number 1, the OG Kami Oshi number 1, none other than former ML48 Jan.
John Cena. Okay, round 2
I knew you was
mga
going to do
round
that.
two. Okay, round 2 na po mga NF Tropas. Ayan.
Neolet.
Neo, it's your turn.
With my second pick of this draft, Neo Kuroshi selects the current general manager of MNL48, Abilene Trinidad, also known as MNL48 Abby.
Oh my god. Wow.
Ubusan na agad. Ardolph, it's your turn.
Okay. Choosing the same last name, Colleen Trinidad.
Oh my God.
Tactic na last time. Siyempre,
Mga
prayo.
pick last time. Okay. My pick is the first ever 4th generation member to be included in this draft. So I'll be selecting Caroline Antero, our former NF Tropa Caroline Antero, now known as Emerald 48 Line.
Oh my God.
Sorry,
Not my
Neo.
member.
Sorry.
Next.
Okay. See,
Ako
So
na.
yeah,
shout po sa mga bagong-
BB Boy. Hello BB Boy. Sana all BB Boy.
Welcome to the stream. Si Edge naman.
Yeah,
Edge.
welcome to the
Hindi,
stream.
MLOps to, Stunners to. Okay, Kuya Ed. It's your
Multi-standing
turn.
na ito to.
Okay, so since I selected Sela first in my team, syempre, kailangan niya ng ever supportive na mas mataas sa kanya. So with that being said, with this pang-ilang pick na ba to? So
My second pick.
10th.
so
10th pick.
and 10th, right? So 10th with the 10th pick in this fantasy draft. So I am very pleased to welcome all the way from Niigata, Japan,
Oh.
former
Huh?
Team L captain Kaide Ishiyama, formerly known as Seminole 48K.
Uy,
Okay,
dalawang Team L. Dalawang Team L agad.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, Sir Rob.
Pero,
Okay. For my 11th pick of the draft, this member, I'm going to choose second overall on my team once again, Dana.
oh,
Wow.
no way. No freaking way.
Okay.
Okay.
Inubusan na si Kuya Joe. Wala na.
Okay.
Kuya Joe, it's your turn.
Okay. Okay. Since with the 12th pick of this draft, yours truly, Joe Sardes selects the former overall captain. Sino pa ba hindi napili?
No.
No. Anong no?
Anong no?
Hindi
Well,
Go.
Sige na, piliin mo na.
Piliin mo na.
the
Oy,
former
ba't naman
overall
si ano?
captain, si Kaina Igarta Arzaga.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Shaky.
Okay.
Okay, agad-agad. Wala nang sound effects. Dire-diretso na talaga.
Okay.
Yes.
Back to Neo.
Kung nakuha niya yung second, I got the first overall
Michael
captain.
Pisoso.
Alice Margarita de Leon, also known
Uy,
as...
wag naman si ano.
Alice.
Alice? Wow.
Alice.
Gatin.
Ardolf.
Gatin.
Ardolf.
Ardolf, it's...
My third member, Alisa Nicole Garcia.
Oh my God.
I hate you! Kinuha na yung ano ganyanan
OG.
Okay. My first pick yun eh. Okay. Sige, ganyan kayo.
Ang kaling
Alright.
Yun nga, kaya.
Sabi ko sa inyo, ubusan talaga to. Okay, the next pick that I'll be choosing is my, like I mentioned, bago pa before nagkaroon pa ng mga Oshi ranking ako, may mga Oshi ranking pa ako ng time na to. So I'm gonna pick this person simply because naging ni Oshi ko siya for quite a long time. And we know her as someone na all the way from Pagadian, Zamboanga City. Zamboanga something. Francis Therese Pinlac, formerly known as MNL48 Frances. Ayan. The Queen herself.
The Queen.
Okay.
Okay.
Next!
Kasumisigaw.
I hope I do justice with one of our NF tropas na wala dito. So with that being said,
Okay, kilala ko na.
I am picking someone from the third generation. And with that being said, I'm picking Claril Mercado.
Oh my God.
Oh!
No way.
Ubo. I wonder kung mabuo ang hashtags. Next, Sir Rob.
Okay, for the 17th pick of the draft, I'm going to pick the member who's the charming one. Charm.
Oh.
Hindi na kompleto ang wash. Charm Burger.
Alright.
Alam ko na agad kay
Kuya.
Kuya. Okay, go.
Okay.
Kuya Joe.
Okay, my turn. And then I'm just checking my up here. Okay. With the 18th pick in this draft, yours truly, Joe Sargent selects. Hello, mga mahal ko.
Oh my gosh.
Mahal Rachel.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Kompleto agad third gen Okay, back to Neo.
Wait lang, ito na.
Lace? Who's Lace? Hello, Lace. Uy, multi-stand pen. Yani? Uy!
Obvious naman.
Kala ko sinong Yani to. Kala ko sa Raha.
Obvious. Ito, with my next pick, obvious naman, I have to pick one of the main. Ay, hindi. Ano sabihin na natin? One of the members who got the Oh My Popping single, Christine Joyce de la Cruz, also known as MNL48, CJ.
Oh,
Words and bats mo ang
my
pinuha.
damn you.
Oh my goodness.
Siya sana susunod ko.
Okay, next, Ardolf.
With revenge.
Ardolf, your turn.
Ardolf.
Going to
Ardolf.
pick on my fourth girl on my team. Okay, kasama ko palagi Sabado, Belle de los Reyes.
Oh,
Oy.
Oh.
nice.
L. Okay, ako na susunod. Saglit lang. Ay! I'm actually surprised no one's choosing her yet. Alright?
Oh,
Sige. I'll be picking a member mainly because it's just sa mga power dancers of third gen. We
oh
got
my God.
Rihanna. Okay.
Okay.
Fudge, man.
Next, Kuya Ed.
It's your turn.
Unti-unti na po tayong nagkakaano dito sa ano natin, sa draft natin.
Ilan ba per ano? Ilan ba per...
Nagkaka-tension na po.
We're
1/3
going to
na
pick-
kami. 12.
12 yung pipiliin natin.
Okay, 12. Yeah. Okay.
Pick 22.
Okay.
72. 72.
So-
No.
Okay, so my next pick, well, ito kakatid lang nito nung isang debut, no. So With that being said,
Uy,
I am proud to select
alam ko yan.
and very pleased to welcome to my team Jean Bennett Ginto, formerly known as ML48 KKS Jean or Yumesho Jeya.
Oh, welcome back.
Welcome.
Sir Rob.
Nice.
Okay, so yeah, someone already got CJ, someone already got Rihanna. All right. Next one on the list.
I don't know what
My
that means.
23rd pick. 23rd
Hindi pa ubos
pick
ang watch
overall.
tags.
Ayun nga pala.
The fourth
Fourth
member
na.
of my team
Oh.
is ML48 Kath.
Oy.
Okay, nice.
The coffee connoisseur. Ay, punta ako sa coffee shop nila.
Okay, and okay, my
Next.
turn. My turn. Okay, I'm gonna pick with the 24th pick of this draft. Yours truly, Joe Sartes selects Ashley Cloud Garcia.
Gosh. Okay. Alright. Next. Back to Neo. Round 5.
Neo Koroshi selects the returning MNL48 member, the gamer of MNL48, Sandy Garcia, also known as
Kala ko the game.
MNL48 Andy.
Good choice. Kala ko the game.
Okay, your turn also.
Back to you.
Choosing on my fifth member, Isabel.
Isabel?
Isabel. Note. Yeah.
Note.
Divina Crush. Siya lang naman natin isa pong Isabel.
Ngayon.
Next. As for me, well, Sir.
Ayan, wait lang. Nabahan.
Nangyari.
Okay. Nagtataka ako medyo na ano tayo. So, I'm actually surprised no one picked her yet. So, I guess pipiliin na rin natin. Ano ba yun? Sorry, ilaalala ko lang. Okay. No one made her. Everyone's Hoshi. So, I'll make her my Hoshi. I'm selecting ang hotdog ng MNL48.
Sabi ko nga ba
Miho.
yun ngayon.
Yan ang ano natin.
Okay, it's your turn.
Hi, Georgie.
No, hi, Georgie.
Hi, Georgie.
Anyway, teka. Ay, napik na nga pala si Jamie, napik na si Cole.
Aray ko.
So, sino na lang natitira sa JYC?
Marami pa. Ako marami pa.
JYC. I'm referring to JYC.
We don't
The other Y.
Ang natitira na lang na na
Think of the
member
other
na
Y.
hindi ko pa na mention sa JYC. I am very pleased to welcome Chelsea Isaki Bautista, formerly known as ML48 Isa.
Isa one and only. Okay. Sir Rob.
Okay. For the 29th pick of the draft for my fifth member team, a fourth generation member, first time being chosen, ML48 Yana.
Oh. Ang ate ng 4th gen.
Oh boy, the rookie ate.
Anyway,
Okay.
grabe kayo. Ayan, may
The
ate
mystery
na.
girl.
The rookie ate.
Okay.
Anyway,
Kuya Joe, you're the last. You're the next.
me, I am the next.
You're next!
You're next. Parang ang daming, parang pansin ko, ang daming nasa next sa second gen. Tama ba ako?
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero papansin ko, habang tumatagal, parang I have this notion, I have this feeling na parang mag-i-slow lang kasi nasa ano na ba tayo? Nasa 30th na tayo.
Oo.
And as far as we're concerned na habang nasa 30th tayo, unti-unti tayong lumalalim sa pag-pick.
Palalim ng palalim.
Palalim ng palalim. Pero, I believe I'm gonna pick the next available, running it back from the last draft with the 30th pick of this draft 2025. Yours to be Joe selects the one, the only Uni. When I say Uni, you say
Nice.
Teka lang, meron akong kilala kikiligin dyan. Sige, sabihin mo na.
when I say
Andito pa
Uni,
siya.
you say
Gab!
when I say Uni, you say Gab. Uni.
Gab!
Yeah.
Uni.
Gab! Ray, ba't di ka nag-react dyan?
Okay.
Next,
Well,
back to Neo.
Further Warner din sa akin.
Okay,
Tama, Further Warner din yun, Gab.
I need this. Kasi nabanggit na yung kape eh. Why not iced coffee? Jonah Aliana Padilla.
I hate you! Yan tayo eh! Sana!
Dark Horse pick.
I don't know why. I'm being... Next! Next! Next!
Ardolf, ikaw na.
Adult.
It's your turn.
Ella May Amat.
Ella.
Ella.
Oh.
Okay, the FA.
The FA of
FA.
Asia.
Herself.
For Flying Air Asia. Air Asia baka naman, by the way.
Next pick for me is... Wait lang. Ay. Wala pa rin po... Well, I'm actually surprised no one's choosing her again. Parang late in the first round. Late siya lagi na ano natin. Well, it's a person who introduced me to Emerald 48. I guess through her TikToks. And recently, I did meet her sa isang gig na malay nyo, isa yung makapili dyan. So I'm gonna pick this person. She's currently a beauty content creator. And mukhang kala-launch lang niya sa very recent na somewhere in BGC. I think it's a hair salon. So I'm gonna pick Ann Nicole Casitas, formerly known as Emerald 48, Nile.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Line Nile. Next.
Anagrams.
Definitely si first ever Kamiyoshi. Ayan.
First ever.
For the first ever. So, well, etong pick na ito, I mean, I'm sure na nakikita niyo siya sa mga, how do I say this? Yung mga, kakagaling na ito ng Singapore eh, anyway. So, alam niyo na siguro kung yung indicator dyan. Pero, aside from Singapore, nakapunta na ata to ng Thailand din, no? Thailand o Asia Fest. Anyway, yung mga countries na yon, indicator yan kung sino yung pipiliin ko. So with that being said, I am very pleased to welcome to my team former Team M2 member Faith Shanrey Santiago.
Veto! Crazy in love. Sayang wala si Kuya po. Sayang wala si national boyfriend ngayon eh.
Gumagawa na din ng kalokohan si Faith.
Mga si Nation.
Si The Nation, sayang, wala. Next, Sir Rob.
Okay, for my 35th pick and the 6th member overall, I'm surprised no one has picked her yet. Another 4th gen member.
Oh my
Ira.
God, naubos ko.
The Undisputed Era.
Naubos.
Ubos ang 4th gen. Ay, hindi pa! Hindi pa
may isa
actually!
Ay, okay, meron pa.
More pa.
Kuya Joe.
Kuya, binigyan ko
Still
ng
got
idea si
one
Joe.
more.
Me, I will with the 36th pick in this draft. Yours truly, Joe, selects the former overall captain. Sino na lang ba natitira? All the way from New York.
Ay,
The registered
Oh,
nurse.
and then napik na yun.
napili ko na.
Napili na eh. Napili na!
Wait.
Neo.
Ay, oo
Si
nga pala,
Kapitan! Napili na!
Alice is the 13th pick.
sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. I am so sorry. Sensya na. Taon lang. Sensya na.
Kasi mabigat yung mga nakuha ko.
Kaya nga may pampural lapis eh. But anyway. Sorry for the references. And references, okay. Anyway, references aside, yours truly is gonna select the all the way from Dubai, originally from Nueva Vizcaya, Mary Grace Benaventura.
Gracias.
Grace.
Grace.
Our one and only Habibi. Yes, Habibi.
Gracia.
Yes, Habibi. Okay, back to Neo.
Yan na.
Hindi, kailangan ko na siya. Kailangan ko na siya. Hindi ko siya napili nung last draft. None other than, ubusin na natin to. Claire Fresno, also known as MNL48 Claire.
Oy, inubos na ang Orion. Ayan. Neo, Ardolph, you're next.
Going to select Ian Mercado.
Oh, nice.
Ayun.
Yeah, finally.
Yan.
Finally.
Wait lang, Yuso. Wait lang Pwedeng saglit lang. Okay,
Ayan
for
na.
me, well, I don't know how people are, siguro if I choose this member, this could stir a lot of drama because I know sa mga ML loves dyan, they know this story. In relation to my pick, kung narinig yung lahat ng mga picks ko, this member is in a way, let's say nagkaroon ng shift before with this member. A Perpetualite, all the way from Cavite,
Oh.
Jennifer Garcia.
JD.
No,
JD.
formerly known as MNL48, JD. Ayan.
Oh boy.
Issue. Okay, Kuya Ed, you're next.
Well, since you picked JD, sige, I'm also gonna pick a dancer too. So, with that being said, ang pipiliin ko one-third. Hindi one-third kasi parang, basta, member siya ng Team Mateluk. Ng Team Bakay.
I have an idea.
Ako na din.
I think you know what I
think
Nasa ano na ba siya?
I'm referring to. Basta nandun siya sa isang basta sumasayaw yun. So, with that being said, I am very pleased to welcome to my team, Lorelaine Sanyosa, formerly known as MNL48 Lady.
Alright.
Hindi pwedeng huge asset kasi GeForce
GeForce. Speaking of which, ayan, meron tayo, ayan, Ray Carriazo used to be part of GeForce, hindi nakakalam, pero medyo matagal-tagal na. Ayun, next, Sir Rob.
Okay, so I'm going to follow Ardolph to finally pick this former member, my Kami Oshi forever, Quincy Santillan.
Obvious. Okay, Kuya Joe.
Okay. With that being said, just to put in some diversity in my lineup, with the 42nd pick in this draft, yours truly, Joe, selects Amanda Isito, formerly known as MNL48 Amy.
Team Bakal. Ubus na. Okay. Dalawa sa Baby Blue yung nakuha mo Dalawa sa Baby Blue. Okay, back to Neo Kuroshi.
Since Team Mateluk at Team Bakal na pag-usapan, mukhang kukumpletuhin na natin to. Ang original mommy ng MNL48, Ruth Dingat.
Uy.
Okay.
Mama Ruth. Okay. Ardolph, you're next.
Okay. I'm going to pick Princess.
Uy!
Uy!
Oh!
Ay!
Okay.
Thank you, Sir Robbie.
Teka, ba't pinagsama mo si Princess siya kasi isang team?
Ay, bagay. Magkano din sila.
Hoy! Uy, drama na naman yun ah.
Meron na kayong
Issue.
meron na kayong Quincy naman So, anyway.
Yan tayo sa issue na naman eh.
Nandun kasi siya eh.
Huwag nang,
Tama na. Okay.
Nagulat ako ron. Nagulat talaga ako.
just to be clear, the views and opinions of us separately are distinct from each other. Doesn't represent each other's opinions and doesn't represent Mandatory as a whole. That's it. Just to put that out of the way.
Sige na. Maybe I'm gonna choose this person because I want her to have a redemption tour. I want her to have another chance, a second chance to prove herself kasi alam ko hindi niya napatunayan yan nung nasa 3rd gen pa siya. I'm gonna pick 5th generation aspirant, walang chika, 5th gen aspirant daw siya. Miyaka Montoro. Yeah, former 3rd gen aspirant.
Okay lang.
Next!
Baka maging future, charot.
Baka maging future.
Well, manifesting pala.
Manifesting.
Kuya Ed.
In the future.
Main?
Salamat dun sa commercial na dumaan na motor. Anyway.
Next!
So, actually, eto rin. Another one na I would say na may malaking potential pero hindi niya I would say hindi niya masyadong na-show yan because she got basically axed out because of the second general election. And yes, pinik ko na rin to last time nung nagkaroon tayo ng fantasy draft. So, with that being said, I am very pleased to welcome to my team former Team M2 member Eunice Abad, formerly known as ML48. Nice. That's definitely a nice pick.
Nice pick.
Fun.
Pun intended.
Next!
Sir Rob.
Sir Rob.
Alright. So, alright, nakuha na si Princess. Okay. 47. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pick this person now.
Yung isa di pa naman napili ah.
Okay, I know. Pero I'll leave it to you guys. Okay, so the 47th pick of the draft. And my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ay!
8 member. Oh no, 7,
Ay!
4, 5, 6.
Oh, 8 na.
8 member of my team. Another former top Oshi, Althea Itona.
Oy!
Known as Thea.
Okay.
Pagawa po kayo motor. Ay, sa kanya po ba bibili ng pang piyaso ng motor? Ganun na lang. Team Etibak.
Biglang naalala kasi may dumang motor kila Edge.
Yan nga.
Naalala. Kuya Joe.
Sa motor. Anyway. Okay. With the 48th pick. In the 48th pick in the 2025 NT48 draft, your studio Joe Sarto selects. Masaya ba kayo?
Oh my God.
Hindi.
The only Saya cadets.
Okay, ganyan. Sige, ganyan. Next.
Usually kapauragan ni Quincy. And back to Neo.
Back to Neo.
With my 9th pick of this draft, Neo Kuroshi select ang crush ng bayan, Guinevere, fake news, MNL48 Dia.
Crush daw ng lahat.
Totoo yun.
Ardolph, you're next.
From MFT. My family
Talatong.
Para maging healthy, fit ang aking team, I would pick the heavy lifter, Tin Coloso.
All the way from America din yan.
West Coast ata.
West Coast ata eh. I think ko sa San Diego siya eh. Yeah. In San Diego.
San Diego. You might see
Sabi sa'yo, Talatonga daw pinili si Talatonga. Next. Okay.
San Diego.
Matangkad.
Okay. I'm actually, wait lang Tine-check ko lang kung sinong kailangan ko ng mediator dito, baka may ano. Anyways.
Rolling in the deep
kasi eh. Okay. Well, for me, meron ng ano. Okay. This current member or this actually hindi former pa rin talaga to. Mga former din halos mga napipili ko dito mga ano na. Okay. This former member, I will choose her. Alam ko na delay yung debut niya sa kanyang group na KHD Alpha. Pero I know they're currently back on track. So I'm gonna pick this member. Yeah. Nicel Joy Boson. Also known. Ang ating HR. Ang ating Ice. HR. Former Emerald 48 Ice. Ayan.
So that's
Ice.
Okay, next.
Edge.
Kuya Ed.
Had this former third generation member stayed for quite a long time, I mean, siguro magiging frontliner to. So I am very pleased to welcome to my team former third generation member Jana Ros Angeles.
Another
biggest what if. Very short-lived.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a Rob.
Okay, sir. Rob.
Okay. All right. Looks like I'll be picking former members that I picked on our previous draft. For the 53rd pick of the draft and my ninth team member, I pick one of the twins, Shaira Duran.
Oh.
Shaira.
Okay. May pipili na sa dun sa isa. Kuya Joe.
Okay. With the 54th pick in the 2025 draft, yours truly, Joel Sarkis selects. But before I mention that, sasabihin ko lang sa
Si Maloy. Si Maloy yun ah.
No. That is a clue to my pick. Kasi pwede siyang lumabas doon as an assassin. That got done for shortly after. At siya ay walang iba kundi yung last member ng tatlo na hindi ko napipili kundi na si Ransoy.
Oy. Rans.
Yes, naibit mo siya.
The actress laging namamatay.
Nine. Okay.
Grabe.
Sana all my kissing scene pala, by the way.
Convin yun. Convin.
Yan yung sana all natin kay Rans. May nakakissing scene, no? Okay, next. Back to Neo.
Convin. Sure.
I think isa na mayroon pang hindi napili sa mukhang alam ko na agad sino agad. Kailangan ko ng hindi ko sabihin pampainit. Pero gusto ko yung medyo giliw-giliw na sa dance floor. None other than Eliza May Rojas, also known as Emerald 48 Liza.
This is Eliza May. This is a question of where the hell are you? Kasi matagal ka na, ito yung literal na multo talaga. Kasi ang tagal lang hindi nagpakita. Everything about her hindi siya dismissal parang parang siyang umalis out of nowhere na hindi ko alam, na hindi natin alam.
Out of nowhere.
It's like, where the hell are you?
Entirely out of nowhere.
Ardolf, you're next.
Okay. I'm going to complete my 3 Marias. Marie Iyog.
Okay.
Marie.
Okay. As for me, well, wait lang. Well, in fairness, wala nang pumipili sa mga sa mga trainees. Oo. So probably, sino pang natira? Yun ang tanong ko na agad, sino pang natira?
Rolling in the deep waters of
ito yung literal na digging Ito na yung mga rounds na kung saan kailangan marami kang alam kasi mauubusan ka. Ayun. So right now, well,
patapos na tayo. Don't worry, patapos na tayo.
Actually, yes. Patapos na nga talaga.
Oo.
Now? Oh, ilan na lang pala yung nandito? Okay.
Marami pa.
Ang dami pa. Puro former na nga lang mga natin.
Former na lang yata lahat. Okay.
Mga former na nga lang lahat.
Oo.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick this. Oh. Okay.
Okay, alam ko na agad yung
Don't give me any ideas.
Mukhang natagalan talaga dahil mukhang mahirap lang.
Matagal eh kasi ito na yung ito na crucial na to.
Ardolf, I picked Dana.
Crucial na to. Wala na. Ito yung na talaga. Dahil di naman na isa publiko yung here's the thing though. Hindi kasi na isa publiko ang 4th generation. So, yung ibang aspirant. So, So, instead, well, the only reason, wait lang. Ito yung ubusan na talaga. Okay.
Wait. Counted ba ang naging yung mga almost became a member but haven't been as far as the 4th gen is concerned?
The thing is, nasa wiki kasi sila eh. Wala sa wiki yung mga nasa 4th gen eh.
Kasi sa tingin ko, ang pasok nang sa categorically, the ones who would be eligible would be, wait a minute, yung mga na-feature natin, specifically dun sa sa mga, di ba nag-birthday greetings tayo? Di ba? Primarily, yung mga nandun, di ba?
Yung 4 lang yung andon. Okay, now I have an idea. Okay, right now kasi, this member, or this former ML48 member, decided to stop performing and decided to become part of events, which includes nga PPopCon. So I'm gonna pick this member due to the fact na hindi lang siya marunong in terms of performance, but also because of her ongoing experience as part of the event staff of PPopCon. Nakita ko to sa Vietnam Music Festival. I'm gonna pick former ML48 Trixie. Ayan.
Of my idol and a current P-pop wise woman.
Okay.
Teka, ganito kasi yun eh. Kasali din ba yung mga nag-withdraw?
Kasali pa rin naman. Yeah.
Wait.
Nandito sa wiki yung mga nag-withdraw.
By the way, para sa mga manonood, we're using AKB48 wiki. That's akb48.fandom.com. That's a reference there.
So, Kuya Ed, ikaw na lang.
Yeah, your
So,
turn.
You're
ayun.
next, rather.
So yun, sasali ba natin yung mga nag-withdraw? Doon sa, nandun sa Ayun, buti na lang. So, I think it's a resounding yes kasi ito, I'm sure na we all know that health is wealth. So, with that being said, I am very pleased to welcome to my team, doktor na po siya ngayon, former ML48 first generation aspirant, Arya Carino.
Ayun, no?
Oh,
Yeah.
you know.
Wow.
Okay, medyo
Next!
shopping.
Deeper and deeper and deeper.
Deeper
Okay,
na
next.
to.
Deep
Water
water.
Rob.
Number 2. Okay. For my 59 pick of the draft, my 10th overall, another former pick, Princess Labai, or otherwise known as ML48.
Yes.
Oh. Next, Kuya Joe.
Okay. In my case, wait a minute.
Excuse me.
I am checking the records. I am checking the. Okay. Actually, I am quite surprised she hasn't been picked yet because I've seen her asset as a. I've seen her as her asset. With the 60th pick in the 2025 draft, yours truly Joe selects Eka Joy Sipug, also known as Eka Martiana, formerly known as Eka.
Eka. Okay.
Eka.
Aray
Okay.
ko.
Eka.
Neo, you're next. 11, last, second to the last.
Medyo weird di siya napipili even though ang ganda pa na niya ng pangalan niya sa group. Because bukod sa medyo cute siya, medyo nakikita ko yung kanyang white talent, ang hindi niyang napapansin sa kanya, height. Kaya ang kailangan ko bulilit. So, none other than Bray Brinuya, also known as Bray.
Bang! Stream Kislap, by the way. Ayan. Ardolph.
My penultimate choosing member, Ruth Lingat.
Uy, napili ko na.
Napili na!
Oh.
I'm so sorry, napili na.
Pinili
Ayan
ni
na.
Neo.
No, okay.
Kaya sa magalit ka kay Neo.
Ito na yung literal na ubusan na talaga.
Naubusan na
Dami ko.
tayo.
Dami pa din sa listahan.
Pwede mo.
Pwede
mo gawing reference yung last draft natin.
Yeah.
Oo.
I-pick ko na lang. May pumili na ba kay Daryl?
Oh my.
Ay, wala pa!
Ayan na.
Binigyan na ng idea kaagad.
Okay.
Nada.
Sinigaw mo na lang yun.
Okay na,
Daryl
si
na.
Okay.
Daryl.
Summa cum laude.
Teka lang, no one had a good idea. Teka lang.
Summa.
I'm actually, teka lang, nagtataka ako. No one also picked this person as well. Kasi nga, ano bang tawag dito? Kala ko magkakaroon tayo ng Marcus Markieff Morris na draft na magkasunod. Pero parang ang mas nangyari yata is Blake Griffin to Taylor Griffin na situation. So all the way to the pang ilang pick na to the second to the last spot. The other half, the other Durant twin, Shaina.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Oh my goodness. Parang
Kaya ang
parang
SK,
yung Severed
diba?
Twins na parang yung sa PBA, yung Severed Twins na paghiwalay. Yung
diba?
Naghiwalay rin siya sa tutumbo.
Yung Thompson twins pa, si Amen at si Ausar pa. Don't forget.
Yung dalawang Curry brothers, Steph and Steph.
Thompson twins, Asar and Amen. Asar and Amen. Kambal yun.
Lopez
Ayun.
twins, Brooke and Robin.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
forget.
Kasi hindi, magkaiwala yata sila.
Edge.
Next. Kuya Ed.
Siguro itong pipiliin ko. Also, I'm very surprised na hindi pa to napipili. Pero bago mo na yan, kompleto na ba ang fourth gen?
Kompleto
Napili ba
na.
lahat?
Kompleto na.
No.
Wait.
Malapit
No.
na.
No, malapit
Malapit
na.
na. Oh, yun.
Second to
Malapit
the last
na.
round na to. Second to the last round na to.
Okay, nagbigay na ako ng clue para sa ibang teams. Pero itong pipiliin ko, I'm sure we definitely need some maturity with the team I'm forming. So, and also do not forget itong pipiliin ko, isa dito sa mga iconic vocals ng Emerald 48. And bukod sa vocals, syempre, she also flexes her knowledge in playing a couple of musical instruments or so. And finally, itong clue na ito is mami na po ito. So with that being said, I am very pleased to welcome to my team Lorraine Lay Lacumba, formerly known as Semelo 48.
Mami Lay. Yeah. Sir Rob,
Master Yellow.
you're next.
Okay. Okay, so the person I'm going to be picking for the 65th pick and the 11th member of my team. Yeah. So, actually, artista rin siya. Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, artista rin siya. So, kung si John ako niya si Rance, ito na kukunin ko.
Para kilala ko na kung sino yan.
Yeah. Okay, so for the 65th pick, I choose Polaris Ina Salazar, also known as Emerald 48 Ina, former Kenkyusei.
Oh. Kuya Joe, you're next.
Okay. And with the 66 pick in the 2025 draft, your Sweet Joe selects Michelle Abrillo, also known as 748 Shell. The shell that
Pearly Shell.
Finally.
Naubos pa ang 4th gen.
Yeah. Tagal.
Okay. Next. Neo.
Last pick. Teka lang. Okay, mukhang final na itong last pick na ito. Mukhang hindi pa siya tunay na napipili sa ating draft. Pero somehow, naisip ko na siya. I don't know kung ano na nangyari sa kanya. But anyway, my last pick is none other than Lara May Layar, also known as Emerald 48 Lara.
interesting pick. Okay.
Ardolph.
Arnold.
I think
Final
my
round.
team,
Final.
Kyla, Catalina.
Yun.
Ay, Kyla.
Mayora.
Kayla. Okay.
Buti,
Mayora.
yun dapat
Okay.
pipiliin ko, pero hindi si Lara na lang.
Anyway.
So for me, it's Ubos. Okay, this is what happened kasi. Everything about her graduation surrounds in mystery. But here's the thing. She could have been one of the biggest it girls of MNL48 if either she was given a chance, either Summertime pushed through. Siya pa nga nag-spoil nung isa sa mga kaganapan, sa mga nangyari behind the scenes of Summertime. Now, we're going to pick Meiji Callis, formerly known as MNL48
Also-
G.
Oh,
Yeah.
Also known as Vanessa whatever.
Vanessa Young.
yes.
Used to be Alex Young as well.
Ang dami niyang pangalan.
Yeah, Alex Young, Vanessa Young, latest of
Dami. Marami siyang
Marami
alias
siyang
na
alias.
ano.
Also known as...
Ano baka feeling ko siya si El Grande Americano, ang daming daming identity.
Ang daming mga ano.
Ito
mga
Grande
aliases.
Americano pala.
Yes, yes.
Akala ko si Mick Foley. Mick Foley pala.
Okay.
Dude
Oo.
Love, Mankind, Cactus Jack.
Lahat na, no?
Yeah, ikaw
Okay.
na.
Okay. Last pick.
Mike. Ito na. Last pick. Talk about digging deeper. Oh my goodness. I know ang dami pa napipili pero ang hirap pumili doon sa mga hindi pa napipili. Because many of them, I would say, meron silang, ang dami nilang mapapatunayan without any shadow of a doubt. Oh my goodness, ang hirap, no? Ang hirap
Ito yung ubusan na.
I mean, we all know that we're digging deeper into the archives or into the list, no? Pero still, ang dami pa rin mga available.
Baul na ata to.
Daming
Baul.
available.
Very best.
I think baul na to.
natin pabuti na 16 to.
Hoy, wag na.
Huwag na, mahirap po yun.
Hindi, tama na yan. Tama na yung ano na yan.
Wala na yata.
Okay na yung 12.
That's already a
Wala na
justifiable...
May bukas pa kasi. May bukas pa.
Pero Pero you know what, pasalamat tayo na 12 lang ipipiliin natin kasi yung last time kasi nung
Marami masyado
12 pa rin naman.
natin is
Kasi-
12 pa rin naman pero
Marami masyado
ang dami
tayo.
kasi
wala pang 4
natin.
gen
Oo.
Tsaka wala pang 4 gen nun Tsaka yun nga, dami nating mga
Naubos.
Ang daming
pickers
sumali.
or something. Yeah.
Ang daming sumali.
Oo. Ano ba yan? Paligoy-ligoy pa ako mag-a-add. Pero you know what? Sige na, sasabihin ko na. Since halos napili naman ang lahat ng mga naisip ko. Ito, graduate na to from college, I think it was 2 years ago, with flying colors. And also, parang tourism din ata yung natapos niya. And I don't know kung if she's going to continue with her flight attendant career or something, no. Pero make no mistake, biyahera po ito. So with that being said, I am very pleased to welcome to my team Edelvira Bandong, formerly known as ML48 KKS Vera, or as you call it, as she calls herself right now, Ivy Bandong.
Vera.
Okay. Vera. Okay, Sir Rob. This
Okay,
is
for my
digging deep into the
Yeah.
baul.
Actually, for this pick, the last pick, final pick, sana umabot 16 dahil hindi ko pa naisip eh. But anyway, yeah.
Wag na.
I was,
Pass,
I had
pass
three
na agad.
members. I had 3 members in mind for my last pick. One former member I've been talking to recently. We've been chatting lately. She's been sick lately, so I kind of helped her out. Okay, and then there's another member, a former Kenkyusei, and I think she was one of the best Aussie talks we had.
Oh,
Yeah, she had one of the best Aussie talks we ever did. Yeah, and then there's another member, also one of her, a former member, former first gen, who's also another Aussie talk, was one of the best also. Okay. Okay, so now I have to choose between these 3, and then I decide to choose the former Kenkyusei, para may kasama si Ina dito sa team ko. I choose she goes by a handle on her social media app, Sakura.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice pick. That's a nice pick. That's a really nice pick.
sino yun?
Yeah.
Eda.
Former
Ah.
Kenkyusei.
Actually, Sir Rob, you had sort of indirectly helped me. I don't know if I'm gonna go that route. Mag-check
Naging basis na.
Nag-check
May
ng
basis
Aussie Talks,
na.
no?
May basis na.
Nag-check ng Aussie Talks.
May basis na kagad. Alam nyo na.
Nag-check ng Aussie Talks.
Well, I wanted to pick her too, but yeah, wala nang space eh. Yeah. There's no more picks for me. So,
Anyway,
kung si Eda yung number 1 o si Talk sa akin,
I think
yung number 2 yung kay...
it sort of gravitated towards that. I think you had this one in tow, but I think I'm gonna do that on your behalf, Sir Rob. I'm gonna pick for the 72nd and final pick of this 2025 NT48 draft. Yours truly, Joe Suarez selects Shere Engbino, formerly known as M48 Shaq.
Siya.
Yay, thanks, Joe.
Okay,
And that's the end of the... Tapos na. Tapos na po.
that's it for
Tapos na po.
the draft. Okay,
Yeah.
so
So, may...
eto.
Ayan.
Sa tingin ko,
Go, kuya.
nasort ko na yung mga lineups. Pwede bang isa-isay natin yung mga ano?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay ako na. May listahan ako dito.
Yeah,
Alright.
go ahead.
So, for Neo, ang nakuha niya ay sina Cole, Abby, Alice, CJ, Andy, Ali, Claire, Ruth, Gia, Liza, Bray, and Lara. Si Ardolph naman, Jamie, Colleen, Alyssa, Belle, Isabel, Ella, Tian, Princess, Tin, Mari, Daryl, and Kyla. Ako, yours truly, I got Jem, Line, Frances, Rihanna, Miho, Nile, JD, Miyaka, Ice, Trixie, Shaina, and G. Si Edge, Kuya Edge, Sela, Kay, Claril, Jean, Isa, Faith, Lainey, Nice, Jana, Arya, Lay, and Vera. Sir Rob, we got Rhea, Dana, Charm, Kat, Yana, Ira, Quincy, Thea, Shaira, Ses, Ina, and Eda. Kay Kuya Joe, we got Jan, Sheki, Rachel, Ash, Gab, Grace, Amy, Sayaka, Rans, Eka, Shell, and Sha. Wow. That's a mouthful. Ang dami yun.
Ang tagal nyo pinili si Shell, kawawa naman.
Grabe kayo.
Kasi yun ito sa skill.
Grabe siya. Hindi ko na nga siya kinuha eh. Parang nyo ako na sa inyo eh.
Nag-iisip na ako kanina kung pipiliin ko na nga siya. Actually, sasagot ko dapat eh.
Naging drop steal.
Si Rowie yung isa dapat yung last.
So yun. And I guess tapos na po ang ating mumunting live. Once again, so tomorrow,
di na natin i-dissect yung mga ano.
So dito, di na natin dissect. Una-una wala tayong oras. Pero dito, we'll be dissecting a lot. Because the groups tomorrow, una muna, we get for the next 2 days, we'll have boy group edition. And then on Thursday, the girl group edition. So, para lang din, alam din naman ng mga NF tropas natin kung sino ba itong mga to. Because most of the groups that we're talking about are not in the conversation yet. The same as SB19, Beanie, Kaya, lahat ng mga naisip niyo ng mga mainstream. So, definitely, baka hindi niyo pa sila na-encounter. So, once again, the groups involved or the groups in the draft pool, groups and soloists in the draft pool will be Gat, soloist Ray Carriazo, Aster, Neo, not our Neo, Josh Nubla, Josh Nubla, Marilag, Alive, Raha, Six Sense, Sync, Gen 6, soloist Ethan Wang, Sweet Label, Onyx, Enzane, another soloist, Yugto, Cloud 7, One Verse, Aegon, Project One, X8, Joe Sarmiento, Gemini, Rive, New Id, Ramjul, AON or All or Nothing, then si Joe Hendry. Joke na Joe.
No Sarteng.
Joke. De joke lang.
Sarmento.
Yeah, we'll consider as well, we'll also add in the draft pool then use and not NATH. So mga nasa ano sila, mostly mga nasa small ano din like Big Mama and HeroesCon. So yun yung sa boy group natin. Sa girl group, mag-aano ulit tayo dito, magdidig deeper ulit tayo. Pwede naman natin itong ulitin bukas, pero ulitin ko na ngayon kasi dahil pa nating oras. So once again, the groups are Raya, Sugar and Spice, Fina, Phoenix, Divine, Defy, DSTN or the Destiny 2.0, Zayla, soloist, Hias, Mirai, Kada, Pixie, Laloons, Hanika, 1111, Nabi, the soloist, Glitzy, Isla, Wink, Joshu, another soloist, Ses, isa pang soloist, Sushi, another soloist, Hiraya, DS space 001, or better yet, also known as Doc Studios Batch 1, and Chris Quinn Yu. So, kita-kits po tayo mga NF Tropas. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok for over 2 hours. In fairness, 2 hours lang So, ayun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa mga tumutok. Pero for sure, magdadissect ayan.
Yung draft
dito magdadissect talaga tayo. Oo, 1 hour. Pero for sure dito magdadissect talaga tayo kasi ito yung mga groups talaga na magdidig-deep tayo. So definitely Sige, mag-ano na tayo. Paunahan na siguro. Sali ka ba, Sir Rob? Gusto mo sumali?
No, since I have no knowledge of most of the
Okay.
P-pop boys and girls there. So yeah, so I won't be
Okay.
here tomorrow.
I guess. So this is what's gonna... Okay.
Ito, heads up lang. I might not be able to join this time. I might not be able to join yung next 2 days.
I wonder why.
The drop dun sa drop proper. Pero try kong humabol sa humabol as an audience and to monitor na rin yung mga picks. Kung ano rin yung humabol. Yun lang.
Uy, we got here former Arsene member, JB, Justin Bondoc. Ayan. Hello po. Yan. Sige, si Kuya Edge. Obviously, ang mauna na agad dito si Kuya Edge na. Obvious na yan. Huy!
Yeah, I know.
Hi, Lay! Hello, Lay.
Uy.
Hello, Lay. Kada.
Kada.
Oh my God. Ehem.
Neo.
Pwede bang pakihay si Zane? Para kay Neo. Hoy! Hoy! Dito nga pala yung
Pag mo kayo sa spoil, baka kung ano mangyari sa Thursday,
Neo,
Ah?
Ano ba yan?
Paano ba yan, Neo? Note ka Thursday, Lay. Lay. Note ka sa Thursday. Sali ka kung gusto mo.
O, yan na.
Pero
Nag-hide na, oh.
Nag-high na kaagad.
Ayun,
Ayun, oh. Paano mo dito?
What is the Lord?
I'm from California.
Nice one.
Hi, hello!
Today's Friday.
Tuloy na kaagad, oh. Sige na, yun na. Sige, Daniel Aquino, who's this? Oh, you have here, Uy,
ML Love yan.
ML Love.
ML Love yan. ML Love yan.
Okay. Susunod natin, Ardolph. And then, Neo. Obvious, ako yung pinakahuli kasi ako yung pinakalugi dito. Ako yung malulugi. Mukhang ganito yung mangyayari. Pero let's see what happens. Malay natin.
Wise man's advantage si Nate.
Anong wise man's advantage? Lugi ako dito. Luging-lugi.
Masalo pa ako.
Ganito kasi.
Okay, ganito siya. I think I have an explanation kung bakit mo nasabing wise man's advantage. Kasi I'm going to try to be objective. Very objective talaga. Ito yung tipong hindi ako basta Oo. Tsaka ang hirap mamili kasi kilala ko yan lahat. Yun yung mas mahirap.
Yung iba, nakita ko na. Siyempre, kilala na ako ng iba.
That would be easier.
Oo.
This is more difficult kasi nga, kilala ko itong mga to. Kilala nila ako. Hindi bilang, more than, some of them, they know me as fans. But most of them, they know me as manager. They know me as the wise man. So that's why. So ito ang challenge natin. OT8 edition. OT8. That's a bigger challenge.
Check ko na agad. Wait lang.
For boy groups and girl groups, nako po, kailangan, dahil nagpakita si Lay, kailangan may pumili kay Lay. Ganun na yung mangyayari.
I choose
32.
sa Thursday na lang. I choose Thursday.
Sa Thursday.
Sa Thursday na lang.
To.
Pahay na lang kay Zane.
Oy! Paano? Pahay daw kay Zane. Ayun. Nako, tanggal angas mo dyan, boss, ha. Tapos andito ako, malay mo, di ba? Okay, so yun lamang po mga kaibigan. Thank you so much.
Ito, dun sa mga, for the sake ng mga kakarating lang ngayon, yung mga pics na pinik natin will be posted on our FB Softmeds, on our FB and our Instagram. We may or may not share insights about the pics that we had made, but yun nga.
Kasi unang-una wala nang oras. Pero I think here we can dissect given na we can only choose 8 and mukhang 4 lang kami. Mga 4 lang kaming mag-aano dito. Mm-hmm. So we can dissect further. Kaya to 5 hours. 5 hours na lang.
Advantage.
Nate, wala ba tayong guests?
Lay, sali ka ba? Gusto mo sumali?
9 pa rin ang start, no?
Guest pick.
9 na. 9 p.m.
9 ba start sa...
Sana next... Okay, anyways, yan. Guest speakers.
Okay,
I want that.
Sa next project, more collab.
Guest speakers, I want that.
NPL, ng other esports teams. Actually,
they did.
Pagdating sa mga ganyan, kung meron tayong mga kung i-contribute or i-suggest, merong broadcast channel si Captain Jamie. You can pwede nyo isend dun. Pwede isend dun yung mga suggestions or pwede nyo rin i-brainstorm sa amin. Kasi kailan ba tayo huling nag-song review? I think that would be something that we would consider down the line, diba? And some of those stuff, basta mag-abang lang kayo sa mga SOCMED natin. We'll be discussing them in future episodes.
Yeah. So anyways, that's all for tonight. Ayan, hanggang doon na lang po for tonight. And yun. So I think mukhang 4 muna tayo. Edge, Ardolph, Neo, and yours truly. So we'll see if magkakaroon tayo ng guest speaker. Malay natin, nagbabaka sakali lang. Let's see. Surprise siguro. Pero abangan natin.
Oo nga pala. I-shoutout lang natin yung mga top viewers for tonight. Brave Mac, Detective 48, Ma'am E, si Neo, si Edge, Ghost, yours truly, si Pao, si Ray, si Ray Galiaco, si Arnold, si Sir Rob, at sa lahat ng iba pa na nandito. Maraming salamat sa pagdaan sa stream na ito. Okay, to the honors. Let's wrap things up.
Yeah, hello. So yun lamang po. Maraming salamat mga NF Tropas. At magkita-kita tayo mali bukas! Yay! Okay, good night everybody.
This has been NFT48.
This has been NFT48.
Honoring those who were, by supporting
those who still are. Alright, good night everybody.
Good night
everyone.
See you tomorrow night.